outside the McLaughlin Center. Last Friday, former University of Providence men's basketball standout Zaccheus Darko-Kelly signed an overseas contract to play in Finland for the Helsinki Seagulls, where he's already been thrust into the mix playing in games.
I only got one practice before the first game, so I barely knew any of my teammates or how they played, and I still don't know as much of the offense as I could, but yeah, it's getting there.
The signing comes after Darko-Kelly's stint with the NBA's Toronto Raptors in Summer League, as well as tryouts with the Bundesliga basketball league in Germany. But for Darko-Kelly, the transition to pro ball is still a process.
It's definitely been a little bit of a transition. I mean, the style, the tempo, is totally different, especially coming from college.
Luckily for Darko-Kelly, the lessons learned from University of Providence head coach Steve Keller and his time as an Argo are what will make ZDK pro-ready.
2 red shirts in my tenure, and he did not waste those. He got better, bigger, faster, stronger, and that's the reason he's playing professional right now.
Coach Keller, he just demands so much out of you because he wants you to be the best you can be, and I think in order for me to be the best I can over here, I have to continue to do that.
Grateful for the opportunity to play in Helsinki, the journey is far from over for the Argos great, as he has his sights set on the highest level of pro ball he can get to.
You know, either the NBA or a high EuroLeague team, I think either of those would be great. I mean, playing in the NBA would be a dream come true. So yeah, that would definitely be the end goal.
Here at the University of Providence, I'm Dylan Foreman, MTN Sports.